Do not try this at home. So we got this golf cart up in North Carolina from a friend of mine, Sandy, and we're gonna start working on it and see if we can't get this thing to run. See if we can't find the problem. It's a little Subaru motor with 2 cylinders. Check this out.
I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Well, a plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head, I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars, oh, they own prison bars, like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther, I'm surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Adios and vaya con Dios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and vaya con Dios.
Now what I'd like to share with you is how we're going to get the rest of the gas and water out of that gas tank.
Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big fat one and grab my guitar and play.
Jeremy gets up a little cottontail here.
The 4 days flew by like a drunk Friday night as the summer drew to an end. They can't believe that I just couldn't leave, and I bid adieu to my friends. Cause my bartender, she's from the islands, her body's been kissed by the sun, and coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good.
That new fuel filter makes this cart look like a racing golf cart. Look how clean that thing is. You ever seen a race car fuel filter? Pretty sweet. Watch me wash this thing. It's gonna be so clean.
They call me Big Papa when I throw pesos their way. Adios and vaya con Dios, a long way from GA. Someone do me a favor and pour me some Jaeger, and I'll grab my guitar and play. And vaya con Dios, going home now to stay. The senoritas don't care when there's no dinero. Yeah, I got no money to stay. Adios and vaya con Dios, going home now to stay. Just gonna prop up by the lake, put my ass in a lawn chair, toes in the clay, not a worry in a world of PBR on the way. Life is good today, life is good today. got my chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. And my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind.
Power! Strength, I just turned into a Hulk. I just broke the terminal, bitch.
Yeah, you just broke the terminal.
I just broke the terminal.
I ain't got no road.
I don't have one of them either. Well,
Try to clamp it on there and clamp it in place.
we'll just do it like this, man. Perfectly right now. And this is a special type of terminal. It's got that silly ring nut on there, but I can cut this and make that work. It's got a ring on it. I can put that ring right here on a different kind of terminal.
How to check for spark.
Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring.
Now what I was told is you want to hold it with your hand on the rubber piece while you touch the motor.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you hold it.
I'll hold one if you hold the other.
And cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
Go ahead. All right, I got spark on left and spark on the right. Yep. Yeah, they're both looking good. That's a yes. I see both of them moving.
And the radio up, I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of my precious child, and know a mother's love.
Bypass the key. What if I turn the key on? Oh! We got it. Don't let it jump into gear. It'll jump these blocks and smash the truck. Tight! 4 hours later, we got a running golf cart.
Don't want to run without the choke.
Yeah, so the carb needs to be. Oh, it won't run unless it's in forward, right?
That's without choke.
That's my brother, the mechanic. He's pretty good.